Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll learn how to link items with processes in discrete production in Logic ERP. So let's get started. Let's first head to the job order module and create a new job order for the discrete production process. You can choose whether the process is handled by an internal worker or an external party. Let's proceed by selecting an internal worker. Select the worker's name. Select the document process type as discrete, then enter the item to be produced along with its respective quantity. Now, save the document. As you can see, upon saving the job order, the system prompts a message indicating that a discrete processes must be selected for this document. Please note, while creating a job order for a discrete production, it is mandatory to select the discrete process from here. From this section, you can assign the required process to the selected item. Simply choose the process, and the corresponding process tree will be displayed in the grid on the right side. Process item mapping can also be predefined under the Process plus Item Linking option for discrete production module. However, in case if linking is not already configured, you can directly link the process to the item from this screen as well. Now, let's proceed by selecting the process tree, clicking OK, and saving the document. As observed, once the process was selected, the job order has been successfully saved. Now, let's move forward and learn how to pre-link items with processes for discrete production. For the same, go to the Process plus Item Linking for Discrete Production module. Select the process you wish to link. Then choose the corresponding item to link with that process. You can also define the completion days for the process, along with the estimated time, cost, and applicable rates. Finally, save the data. Now, let's proceed to create a job order and observe how the pre-linking of processes and items functions. Select the worker name, then choose discrete as the document process type. Then enter the item to be produced along with its respective quantity. Now, click on the Select Processes, Discrete option. As shown in the right-hand side panel, a predefined process tree is automatically displayed. This appears because we linked the processes with the selected item in advance. Now, instead of manually linking items with processes, you can simply select the predefined process tree, click OK, and save the job order. This is how items can be pre-linked with processes for discrete production, enabling faster job creation and a more streamlined workflow.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.